Welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread. Today I'd like to give you advance notice of the live stream for the Brew Along. So firstly, thanks to everybody that voted on the community poll, the Brewday Livestream. I've set out below links for the equipment and the ingredients that you'll need to get if you haven't got the kit already. But if you do have the kit, then you can just go for the ingredient pack. So you can click on those links and you can put an order in for those, and I'll set an advance notice for the live stream, probably something like 2 weeks from now, and that will give plenty of time for you to get your deliveries for either your equipment or your ingredients or both. So really looking forward to the live stream. Not done a live stream on the channel yet, but I think it's a really good idea to try and collaborate with the brew side of the channel, the live stream, because it helps answer any questions you've got in real time, or you're coming back to the hobby, you'd like to have a chat about that, then the live stream is a great opportunity to get to know your experience level a little bit better, and also provide some hints and tips in real time. So I'd really like it if you'd be able to join me for the live stream. There's a few suggestions down below in the description for the ingredient packs. I've set a couple out. It's based mostly on a can of extract kit. Put a couple of examples down there so that you can try and tailor them to your taste if you don't like any particular one of the beers. As I suggested in the comments for the community poll, trying to steer clear of anything too much like a lager, simply because temperature control is what you need. But a good lager, you won't probably be able to meet those requirements for your first brew when you're coming back to the hobby. So click on the links below, they'll take you to the ingredients and the equipment. Get those in order, get the live stream set up, and we'll see you there. Looking forward to the brew day. So see you later. Cheers, bye.